Okay, guys, welcome everyone. We are live on YouTube today. So, let me just real quick just shift the volumes. Perfect, everyone. So let's just start this call today. And yeah, I was discussing about Bitcoin and other stuff. So, yes, wait a second, let me just pause the music so that it won't create any kind of a interruption in between. So here we have BTC on our watch list. So I just see a big move coming on BTC, it just filling this big gap. Market has a big gap creating over here. There's a big manipulation yesterday. CPI data came out, which was like actual forecasting was around 6.2%, but the broadcast was around the actual CPI data was around 6.4%. So CPI data is basically is the perfect indicator to analyze the inflation, and it came around 6.4%. And there always be some kind of a manipulation or a very volatile market around these news, around these fundamentals. But yes, if you see this big move coming into the markets, and same time, like, yes, it's creating the ranges and now moving out of those ranges, like trying to just break these ranges to move out of these ranges and trade higher. So let's see if there's any buyer who wants to do business above this. So let's just quickly move to the 4 hour and see where exactly is the fair value gaps. And so this was the analysis that I've did last on my last stream, that this was the previous supply zone from where we had this amazing supply coming up, which has already broke the previous structure, created a new low. And now here market coming to cover that supply, coming to cover that all of those orders which were left behind here. And now market coming to cover that orders to fulfill all of these liquidity, and then move down once again, right? Or even to cover this gap, so gain support here, and then break the structure to like create another bull cycle, right? So if we see on daily, right, so market's kind of like holding this accumulation, and we have a big gap, market coming to kind of like mitigate those zones. And now it's very clear that if market gets a support here, now it's very much clear that all of those previous highs now become liquidity, and market wants to clear that. So let's see if market able to clear this supply zone and trade higher than this. So this could be a great indicator that yes, market wants to trade higher and wants to create new highs and new higher lows, right? So on Bitcoin, basically on 4 hour, on daily, uh, there is some kind of a demand, right? And that demand's being followed up, because also if we see another indicator that defines that how Bitcoin price will move, which is like how DXY will move, right? So DXY, like the dollar index, basically the dollar, how dollars is going to strengthen or weaken, right? So currently dollar is kind of making move, it's in the ranges, and that shows a weakness again. Market wants to either like break lower and trade lower, and or like it can either like break higher and just clear previous trend line liquidity, so that like all of those pairs which come with the USD one will like follow accordingly, right? If market follows on like DXY become weaker by day, so all of the other pairs like the emerging markets like Bitcoin, they will follow that, and market moves with that. So Bitcoin will definitely price higher if DXY will become weaker. So that means that people are kind of putting their money into the like all other alternative investments, where because the dollar is becoming weaker day by day, so they're looking for other opportunities where they can put their money, the way they can like just park their money and gain some another extra cash, right? So this is like basic psychology, basic economics behind all of these particular price actions. So let's see how many people today on the live. Let me just, yes, perfect. So I think we should wait. Okay. That's great. So recently, like just today only, I've just took this trade on USD CAD. I see a lot of big confluence here on this pair, where I just took a trade on this cluster of orders where most of the money was another like a reaccumulation zone, and then most of the money was accumulating right here, then distributed, then this big expansion again, market come to mitigate, and then where exactly I entered, and I'm targeting these highs based on the Fibonacci. So if you hold your Fibonacci here and take it out till here, so we get our targets, right? We get our targets till here, so I'm just holding these price action till here. So if you see, market is currently responding very much to the side we are expecting. So this is again a great example how you can put your money with the smart money concepts. So here again, this is again a trend line liquidity, so there must be some liquidation on the head. So if you see right there, market could either just hold this first, clear this, and then come back, but there are more chances that market will break this, mitigate this again, and then move away. So that has a very high probability that market will do the second option and then move to the take profits. But we are still in this position. I'm holding till TPs and SLs, either one of the side hits first, then I'll be exiting the markets. But still, like it's very much clear that we should wait for the market to make its move, because like DXY, as I already told you that how DXY perform in these situations, market will exactly move in that particular like create that particular move. So DXY now on 1 minute, like it's creating, had this leg up. So same thing has USD CAD done, because USD was becoming stronger on that 1 minute price action. So USD CAD again, because we have USD in here, so that shows that the first pair in this currency becoming stronger, it is like trading higher on that position. So yes, that's something we should like take care of. It's perfect, guys. I think this is it. This is it for today, and I just want to cover the updates about how Bitcoin and Ethereum price action doing. And I think yes, this will again break the structure and trade higher, right? On Bitcoin, on Ethereum would be the same thing, right? There's this range coming up. Let's see how market will react to this, and even if it has some orders that can break this level and create trade higher, right? So let's just wait for market to do its own thing, because like yes, every time market moves to the zone of liquidity, it gets some response, and then on that basis we can trade. So let's just wait if market give us any kind of a move, because trading crypto right now, it has become like a very risky thing on leverage, because if you see, there are big wicks at any point of time in the market. So that makes these position very risky, very like a poor risk management trade. So I always avoid if market is coming up with these big wicks. So let's just wait for market to settle down, and then we'll enter the market. So I think this is it for today. Let's just end this call right here, and if we have another viewers, or somebody has to refer anyone, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be like going live each and every week, so we'll be covering these updates about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other forex pairs. So subscribe to the channel, hit a like. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye, guys, take care.